Hey everybody, we are going to test out this new servo we put on. I haven't driven it yet, but I do have high hopes for it. Oh yeah, let's do this. We're also going to test out this new ramp. A little overkill, stainless. Servo seems to be holding up pretty good. I think I've got it turned down to 75%. Oh yeah. Let's go. Daggum, this thing can take a hit. We're gonna try that again. Dodge the landmines. Okay. Something doesn't sound good. And we'll count that one. Small error. Big error. We're not gonna count that one. We're gonna give that one more try here. And go. Well, I think that went pretty well. Servo held up decent. It wasn't super powerful, but it did what it was supposed to do. I know it definitely seemed like it could be slightly more powerful. There's no damage. It didn't like to turn in the grass very well if you weren't moving, but other than that, I mean, it's doable. It's definitely got more slop, than I'd like in it. I know it's not on, but it does have a little bit of slop in the servos. Not sure if that's the gearing or what, but I could recommend it. Anyways, we've got a lot of modifications planned for this. We've got an ESC. We're going to upgrade it too. I've got some bigger wheels. I know on the Terminator, we've got several things in the works. We've got new wheels, ESC, motor. Got a ton of stuff. Some upgraded suspension parts for this, and as well as the Terminator. So stay tuned if you like seeing modifications. I think we're gonna go somewhere a little more exciting in the next video. Maybe probably not a skate park, but we'll go somewhere fun. Anyways, appreciate you guys stopping by.